मूवीज़ हमें हंसाती हैं, मूवीज़ हमें रुलाती हैं, हमको चीयर भी करती हैं। और जब हम किसी ऐसे कैरेक्टर को जो अपनी ज़िंदगी में स्ट्रगल कर रहा है और एक सफलता प्राप्त करता है, तो हमें उसे इंस्पिरेशन भी मिलती है और हम उससे कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को रिलेट करते हैं, रिलेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो इस टाइम पे जब हम पिछले 3 महीने से लॉकडाउन में अपने घरों में कैद हैं, घर पे हम यानी ऑफिस में नहीं जा रहे, वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं या घर से ही अपना बिज़नेस ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारा डेटा कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि रिलायंस जियो ने आकर के डेटा बड़ा सस्ता कर दिया है। सो वी हैव एक्सेस टू नेटफ्लिक्स, वी हैव एक्सेस टू अमेज़न प्राइम, और वहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी वेब सीरीज़ या बहुत सारी मूवीज़ देख रहे हैं, कई सारी क्राइम थ्रिलर देख रहे हैं, कई सारी क्राइम स्टोरीज़ और ऐसी बहुत सी कंटेंट हम देख रहे हैं। और वो कंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में घर करता है, कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में हमें अफेक्ट करता है। तो क्यों ना हम ऐसा कंटेंट देखें जो हमको मोटिवेट करता हो अपने काम को या अपने बिज़नेस को बढ़ाने के लिए, या अपनी लाइफ में अगर आप किसी परेशानी के दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, किसी भी मेंटल स्ट्रेस के दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, तो आपको ये 5 या 10 मूवी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, इनफैक्ट 10 मूवीज़ बताऊंगा जिनको आप देखो तो आपको अपनी परेशानियां छोटी लगने लगेंगी और आपको लगेगा कि कैसे आपको उन परेशानियों को ओवरकम करना है, कैसे ज़िंदगी में एक विनर की तरह जीत के आना है। सो हियर इज़ द लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप 10 मोटिवेशनल मूवीज़ ऑफ ऑल टाइम, सो प्लीज़ वॉच इट।
They make us laugh, they make us cry, they even make us cheer. When we see underdogs take on extraordinary goals, despite all adversities and difficulties, we can relate to them. We all need inspiration. Dealing with neck to neck competition in the modern era, sometimes we get tired of trying and want to give up. But movies, these make us look inside ourselves and often can be used as inspiration themselves. So, to that end, here is a list that is not just any casual evening watch. These 10 movies are sure to motivate us, inspire us, and stick with us long after the ending scenes. First in our list, The Shawshank Redemption. The Shawshank Redemption tells the tale of a banker, Andy Dufresne's 19-year terms in prison. The film gives us a strong message of friendship and perseverance and let us have an insight of the lives at Shawshank. The film just doesn't end with the innocent Andy's escape, but also his mate Red's redemption, making it an inspiring story of hope, faith, and bonding. Second in our list, Rocky, the movie which was made in 1976. The story of Rocky Balboa is not just of boxing, but of his struggle and hard work, the difficulties of daily life that he struggles to earn for, his relationship with his best friend's sister, and the formation of his career are all well-knit parts of the plot. And this overall view of his life what makes the movie so special. This story of a man who from a nobody becomes a somebody is truly an all-time inspiring watch. Third in the list, Into the Wild, which was produced in 2007. As the name reveals, Into the Wild is a story of breaking free. I don't believe in careers, Mr. French. I think careers are a 20th century's invention. It's a dialogue that well reflects this sentiment. Christopher McDonald's, leaving his profitable career as an athlete behind, choosing to give his possessions for charity, and embarks a journey through Alaskan wilderness. An inspiring story of choosing an alternate life path in today's competitive world makes Into the Wild an unconventional treat. Fourth in our list, Forrest Gump. Whether dominating on the gridiron as a college football star, fighting in the Vietnam War, or captaining a shrimp boat, Forrest leaves an impression on people with a childlike innocence. Growing up under the care of his supportive mother, in a protected environment, slow-witted Forrest never considered himself disadvantaged. He tried to make people around him happy in his own small way, but becomes puzzled while saving Jenny, his childhood sweetheart. The film emanates the sentiment of innocence and love, making us grateful for the simple joy of life. Pursuit of Happiness, the movie which was made in 2006, the struggle of a father, Chris, to provide a good future for his son, is the inspiring plot of The Pursuit of Happiness. The movie, while highlighting the father and son bond, also has a message of never giving up. Being evicted from their home and faced with financial difficulties, both father and son encounter numerous struggles every day. Yet the small bits of happiness they find in their togetherness provide a heartwarming plot for the film. Number 6 on our list, A Beautiful Mind, the movie which was made in 2001. The story of a mathematical genius on a harrowing path of self-discovery. A Beautiful Mind explores various facets of human emotions. John Nash, at the brink of an international acclaim, discovers a side of himself he was unaware of. The film, based on the book by Sylvia Nasar, explores commitment, success, and heartbreaking folly of a human mind. Number 7 in our list, Life of Pi, 2012. Being a sole human survivor of the ship, while traveling to Canada, Pi finds himself in the middle of an ocean, stuck in the company of a tiger, a hyena, and an orangutan. The struggle and adventure of Pi, added to the extraordinary portrayal of the nature, make the movie not only inspirational but also a visual treat. Number 8 in our list, Life is Beautiful, 1997. Life is Beautiful, a story of hope and imagination. Though Guido has been separated from his wife Dora, he tries to keep his son happy by convincing him that their time in the concentration camp is just a game. The positive spirit that Guido displays, trying to make life beautiful for his little boy, and the belief in his heart of reuniting with his family provides the basis for the motivational plot. Number 9 in our list, Rush, 2013. Though the plot is primarily based on the competition between F1 drivers James Hunt and Niki Lauda, the film goes on to reveal many more sentiments as the two drivers are pitted against each other to be the best on their gas-filled roller bombs. The filmmakers encounter extreme of mental and physical endurance, competition, and the race to be the best are the two cornerstone of the plot that tells us the story of two of the best F1 drivers the world has ever seen. The last movie in our list, Schindler's List. At the time of genocide, this film tells us the story of a true hero. Oskar Schindler's arrangement to keep his Jewish workers protected to ensure his factory is still in operation did not only work for his benefit but saved many innocent lives too. The plot of the story is a masterpiece, bringing out humanity wrapped in a business in a time of war. The movie ends with the tragic fate of Schindler's despite the endeavors of the one on his list. A truly inspiring conclusion that will leave you in tears.
तो दोस्तों, ये थी वो 10 मूवीज़, वो 10 मोटिवेशनल मूवीज़ जो आपको इस टाइम पे ज़रूर देखनी चाहिए। आपको कैसा लगा हमारा वीडियो, हमारा कंटेंट कैसा लगा? अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करिए। अगर आपको बुरा लगा है तो प्लीज़ टाइप ऑन द कमेंट बॉक्स। और हो सके अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगता हो और आप ऐसा कंटेंट और भी देखना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल इंडियाज़ टेक थिंग्स। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस।